Hello! So I finally made the jump and I purchased my first truly wireless earbuds. And I didn't go cheap, y'all. I went for the best of the best. So I have a question for you. Are the Bose SoundSport free wireless? Are they gonna be a Samsung Galaxy Bud killer? What's up, handsome people? If you're like me and you have a limited income, but you love expensive gadgets, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we focus on getting the best gadgets for the least amount of cash. So if you're new here,
subscribe now.
And hey, don't be shy. Feel free to check out the links in the description below anytime during the video. So let's see if Bose has what it takes. All right, so you can pick these up on Amazon for about $200, and they are Bose's first iteration of a truly wireless earbud. There are no cables whatsoever. So it's quite a nice presentation. That slides off. Here's the Bose signature logo right there. It opens up kind of like LeBron's wingspan. So we have this guy right here looking like he's just about to take off because he got his Bose SoundSport earbuds in. On this side, we have a picture of the device. We got the charger case and an iPhone. We got some instructions in there that I don't really care about. And this comes with a small USB-A to micro USB charging cable for the case itself. We have some extra tips right here with the wings. Got the small, and we have the large. I'm sticking with the medium, just exactly as what it came with in the box. All right, so enough about that. So the earbuds last up to 5 hours per charge and an extra 10 hours with the case. So maybe that's why it's so big, because it's got quite a bit of juice, so that way you can keep these earbuds charged up. But as you can see right here, if you press this button, you got a 5 LED indicator showing how much juice the case has. On the back, we have our micro USB charging slot. Bottom, just some information about the case and the device itself. And the top, we have Bose logo right there. So if you pop these open, we have our earbuds. Now, what I really like about the earbuds so far is this bottom piece right here, the charging prongs or whatever they're called, they stick in there pretty good. So you know that they're not going anywhere. They're, of course, they're attached by magnets, but yeah, so when you drop them in there, I mean, you can even turn this upside down and it doesn't fall out. It's pretty awesome. So we have our indicators right here. So it is a fast charge on the left earbud and a fast charge on the right earbud. And if they still need to be charged, then they will be blinking. So let's take these earbuds out. Now, one thing that I did notice when I first picked them up is they are quite large. And the fact that they actually kind of stick out, you can kind of tell right here that they're gonna stick out quite a bit from your ears. So they're definitely not gonna be discreet, especially these being an orange in color. People are gonna notice. But what's really nice is it does fit snug in the ear, and these wings really do help. Sorry, it's a little dirty. These wings really do help to keep it in your ear. So even with a lot of movement, with jumping up and down, all that stuff, it stays in your ear. On the left bud, we have our pairing button right there. And then on the right bud, we have our volume down, we have our volume up. This is the multi-button button. So pressing it once plays and pause music or tracks. Pressing it twice goes to the next track. Pressing it 3 times goes to the track before that. And then holding it down will activate Siri or Google Assistant. So that's pretty much it as far as button goes. These do have some unique features to them. Bose is known for really putting out great sounding earphones, headphones, and now these wireless earbuds. I really like the sound that these little earbuds put out. It's just really nice and freeing. Sometimes when you have truly wireless earbuds, the connection may be off between the left and the right ear. I have not noticed that this first 24 hours with these earbuds, but there were a couple things that I did notice that I'm not too thrilled about. So Bose is known for innovating and creating products with great sound, just like my Bose QC35 that I got back there, which I really love, especially the noise cancellation. And I was actually shocked. I didn't know this, I guess I overlooked it, but these do not have noise cancellation. I mean, although they fit really snug in the ear, definitely you can hear the outside noise. It does bleed out, as well as the noise bleeds in to your ear, because these are not noise canceling, unlike the Galaxy Buds, which are active noise canceling. Also, I found it very strange that when you're making phone calls, the only audio you'll hear comes out of the right earbud. And I don't know if that's to give the illusion that you're talking on the phone, you know, because you have your cell phone, it's pressed up against one ear, it's not pressed up against both ears. So I don't know what the situation is, but yeah, it only comes out of the right earbud. So I thought that was kind of strange. Another thing too that I'm not too thrilled about are these buttons. I'm sure over time that I'll get used to these buttons, but they're pretty hard to press. And I don't know if people that are running, that are jogging, that are doing jumping jacks, and I'm not sure that they're gonna wanna fumble around with the buttons. Oh, and that's another thing. So you can use these buds one at a time. Unfortunately, it's only the right earbud. The left earbud does not work as a standalone, only the right earbud. And another thing that I don't know, I'm kind of puzzled at. Some people like it, some people don't, but I know with some other truly wireless earbuds, when you take one out of your ear, the music will stop playing, and then when you put them back in, the music will start playing again. That's not the case with these. I don't know why Bose decided to do that. I would have preferred to maybe have that option, maybe a setting in the app where you can turn it on and turn it off, but these don't carry that. They'll just keep playing the song, whether the earbuds are in your ear or outside of your ear. So like I said earlier, this case is huge. When I opened it up and took it out for the first time, I was like, dang, that's quite a big case there. I mean, being a guy having this in his pocket, I don't know about that. So are these a Galaxy Bud killer? And will they remain king of 2019? I don't know, that's yet to be seen. I guess we'll have to find out together. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Bose SoundSport free, truly wireless earbuds, leave a comment below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.